Sony WH-1000XM6. Not connecting or one side not working. Try this reset. Step 1. Power off the headphones. If the headphones are turned on, press and hold the power button, located on the left ear cup, for about 2 seconds until you hear power off and the light goes off. Step 2. Disconnect all cables. Make sure no cables are connected, including the USB Type-C charging cable, the 3.5mm headphone cable. Step 3. Press and hold the reset buttons. Press and hold the following 2 buttons at the same time. Power button on the left ear cup. AM button also on the left ear cup. Used for toggling noise cancelling and ambient modes. Hold both buttons for about 10 seconds. Step 4. Confirm the reset. After about 10 seconds, you will see the blue indicator light flash 4 times in a row.